Oh, I'm gonna have to try and record her like this.
Congratulations. How's it going? Chapman, right?
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Thank
Your diploma
you.
in your case. All right, congratulations. How's it going?
Thank you.
Bennett is the last name.
This is so funny.
Are you sure it's yours?
Yep, this is my name. Should we look at it?
Yes. Do you get anything here?
No, I
Oh,
wasn't
that's
fast.
pretty. So if you can, I'm still running this video. If you can crack that baby open.
You want me to crack that baby open?
Let's see.
Oh,
Oh my God, there's nothing in there.
I got she has something.
Megan Chapman. Oh, I'm sorry.
You Megan? Yes. Thank you. I got something.
Sorry.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, it's my stole.
Yay! I'm glad she caught you because you'd have had to loop back through. There's this guy on the side of you, honey. Do you see him?
Does he want me?
I think you have to, yeah, because you need some more things, right?
Yes, my cords.
Is it here?
No, I don't think so. Should I have a cord for tri-M? I might have other cords.
I guess I better roll down the window so they can get in. Fastest graduation ever. We're up to 1 minute and 52 seconds. I haven't even broke a sweat. Oh, wow. Look at that. We need to get some extra cords.
This is so funny.
Oh, look at the pink ones. Do you get one of those?
I don't know where the one.
Math Honor Society.
Hi there.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Miss Carney.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congratulations.